In this video, we'll walk through how to create and manage forums under the forum discussion settings. These settings control how your forums are organized and how members interact within them. Let's get started. This section is where you manage all forums from your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all existing forums along with key details like name, privacy, discussion count, reply count, author, and last post activity. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific forum or use bulk actions to manage multiple forums at once. Now let's look at how to create a new forum. Click Create New Forum to open the Setup panel. Forum name sets the title that members will see. Permalink defines the URL slug for the forum. Forum description lets you add optional details using a visual or code editor. Next is status. Open allows members to create discussions and replies. Close disables new activity inside the forum. Visibility controls who can access the forum. Public is visible to everyone. Private is limited to members. Hidden is only visible to invited users. Parent forum lets you nest this forum under another forum to create structured categories. Order controls the display position in listings, with lower numbers appearing first. Feature image lets you upload a banner image to visually represent the forum. Once configured, click Save to create the forum. Each forum also includes a quick actions menu. View opens the forum on the front end so you can see how members experience it. Edit lets you update forum settings, structure, and visibility. Delete permanently removes the forum, so use this option carefully as it may affect related discussions and replies. And that's how you configure forums. These settings give you full control over how your discussion spaces are structured and managed.